Jay Quellen. Where's Jay Quellen at? No Jay Quellen here? Yeah.
Do you mean Jacqueline?
Okay. So that's how it's gonna be. Y'all wanna play? I got my eye on you, Jay Quellen. Balake. Where is Balake at? No Balake here today? Yes, sir.
My name's Blake.
Are you out of your mind? Blake? What? Do you want to go to war, Balake?
No.
We could go to war.
No.
I'm for real. I am for real. So you better check yourself. D nice. Is there a D nice? If one of y'all says some silly name, this whole class is gonna feel my wrath. Now D nice.
Do you mean Denise?
Son of a bitch!
You say your name right now.
Denise?
Say right,
Denise?
correctly,
Denise?
right,
Denise?
right.
D nice?
That's better.